pattern is going to be an infinity belt load. Yes, an infinity belt load, not the infinity stones. Okay, MCU, yes. I think so. All right, so, okay, anyhow, infinity belt load. So what does that mean for us? All right, we're going to take it from an open position and we'll give you 4 different angles. Here we go. Ready? And triple step, rock step, triple step, rock step, triple step, rock step. You're like, wow, that was really cool, right? I know. So here we go. We're going to do it again. Ready? And triple step, rock step, triple step, rock step, triple step, rock step. Yes, okay, here goes another angle. Get ready. Gentleman's left. Ready. And triple step, rock step, triple step, rock step, triple step, rock step. All right, one more time. Ready? And triple step, rock step, triple step, rock step, triple step, rock step. Nicely done. Now remember, this pattern can rotate a little bit as well as far as rotation goes. Maybe a little less, a little bit more. Doesn't have to be exactly like the way we did it as far as the amount. So practice, practice, practice. Enjoy, have fun, and if you need more detail, private lesson style videos, go to that, all right? See you back in a moment just for the next pattern.